Alden at Catherine may binulgar na sa publiko. Trending na trending ngayon sa social media ang kanilang inamin sa press conference. Hindi mapigilan ang kilig sa kanilang dalawa pagkatapos aminin ang totoong relasyon, kahit si Direk Cathy ay hindi na kinakaya ang kilig tuwing nakikita silang masaya sa isa't isa. Kaya nakakagulat na balita ang binulgar nila.
Hi, I'm Philo, a very good girl who slays every day. So I manage restaurants in the US and Italy, but I'm back in the Philippines for an official business. So, story time. You see, there's this girl who was unjustly fired. And you might think, edi maghanap na lang siya ng ibang trabaho. But then, eto na. Her horrible boss went the extra mile to make this poor girl suffer. Justice? Wala. Hindi niya yun kilala. Kaya pa ba ng bansang to? Charot! This horrible boss calls herself mother. The nerve, diba? Ang kapal na mukha. Nothing she does is even remotely close to being motherly. Scammer alert! So I can't stand by watching an innocent good girl lose herself. But this time, no mercy.